What's up, y'all? It's your boy Tech Man back at it again. Alright, so today we're talking to Google Home. Alright, before I start, I need y'all to hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment at the end of this video. Alright, so we're talking about Google Home Mini. Actually, we're just talking about Google Home in general. I think the only difference between the Google Home and the Mini is just the sound quality and how loud it gets. Now, I live in an apartment, so just the one Google Home was actually pretty loud for me. I mean, I have it in the living room / kitchen, and it works perfect. Now, I hooked it up to my Vizio sound bar, and that has Google Cast enabled, so you could actually link it up and create this home group or multi-speaker. And initially when I first had that, I really liked it, so I just kind of went on and bought more Google Homes around the apartment. So I got some in the bedrooms and one in the kitchen, one in the living room. I got a portable one. So talking about portable, got this really awesome one from Best Buy. It's a Insignia speaker, and it actually works great as a portable speaker, and it has the Bluetooth also. A lot of times the way that works is you could carry that one around, so I usually move that around a lot and take it out with me. Although if you take it out, just kind of forget about the Google Cast or the other features, but it works as an awesome Bluetooth speaker. And for $35, man, you can't beat it. You're talking about getting a smart speaker, a loudspeaker, and it's portable. $35. Now I think the actual price is $150, but I always see it on sale. It's always on sale. I don't know why. So far, it's been working great. So I don't know if there's a quality issue, but for now, it's pretty great. The only feature I'll say is different is you can't call. So with the Google Home, you could call people. So for example, hey Google, call my wife.
Calling.
Okay Google, cancel. All right, so the other feature I use Google Home for is the light switch and a TV remote, which that makes me sound super lazy, but trust me, once you start doing it, it just is great. So usually when I get up in the morning, I either say good morning and the lights come on, or I'll say good night and it turns the lights off. And then if I'm trying to watch a movie or if I'm chilling, whatever the case is, you can control the lights. So for example, hey Google, night mode.
Okay, gun blaze.
And even though you can't see it right now, the lights did change and it has more of a sunset color. And the controls on this is pretty simple. You have the volume down, volume up, and you got a switch on the side which mutes it, and that's how you know it's on mute. So in case you don't want to trigger it, or if you're worried about Google recording your conversations and sending it to somebody by accident, you know, you don't have to worry about that. Now, on a day-to-day, to be honest, I use the Google Home for just about everything. We're talking about asking general questions, asking about the weather, asking about traffic, and it just works. I mean, if I had my phone, I would love to show you how that works with, if you ask for a location, it'll tell you what the distance is, but then it'll send you the location to your Google Maps. So once you have your phone, you could just automatically say start navigating, and boom, you don't have to do anything else. So you don't have to type it into your Google Maps. Now, a lot of people might not like that feature because of privacy or anything, but personally, it's just convenient. Like I can't even. It's just great. So that's kind of one of my favorite features. So other than light switch and other than my TV control, which for example, it's hey Google, watch TV.
Turning on TV.
All right, so that automatically turns the TV on, turns the cable on, puts it on the right input, and it works phenomenal. I could do the same thing for the Xbox or the PlayStation. Basically, any device I have, I can control it. And now, just so we're clear, you need the Logitech Harmony control to do that. So that's not just Google doing it out the box. Although I think the new TVs, for example, the new Vizio TV has it built in, but a lot of other TVs don't have it built in. So just keep that in mind. So I don't want you thinking, oh, I'm just gonna get the Google Home, I'm gonna be able to control my TV, control everything. It really doesn't work like that. The only thing that works out the box like that is the lights that I got, which are the Xiaomi Yi lights, and those work phenomenal. All right, so the final thing I want to talk about is the latest update, which is kind of one of the main reasons why I decided to do this video, because they just fixed everything that was wrong with it before, and they finally introduced controls for everything. And as you can see, like on mine, I have full control of all the speakers. Now, if I do play music on all the speakers, I could individually control each room as far as like how loud I want it, how low I want it. And that's been something that I always wanted, because before I used to have to physically go reduce the volume in each room or kind of match it up. But now it's just all in one place. You can control your lights, you can control your TV, and if you have any other like plugs. Right now I don't have any plugs, and I don't have a smart thermostat, but when I get that, that's stuff that you could come into this app and automatically control. And another thing you could do is the broadcast feature, which I definitely like, you could do from here. All right, so what do you think? Is it worth picking up? I definitely think it's worth the $50 price, and if you get it on a good deal, it's even 10 times better. So leave your comments, subscribe, and let me know. Take care.